Hey, it's Paul Perna. Listen up because I'm giving you an opportunity on this page to go beyond Doodle videos and create Toon style videos and get an unfair advantage over your competitors and other DoodleMaker customers. Armed with DoodleMaker and the powerful Toon Video Maker app on this page, you can create full-fledged video presentation in Doodle format or engage your audience with powerful Toon style videos with ease. In this short video presentation, I'll share with you how you can easily make Toon style videos that outperform any other type of web content. Videos that can get you more traffic and sales, and videos that you can sell for $300 to $500 each. Our revolutionary Toon Video Maker app makes it a breeze to create engaging Toon style animated videos in any language for any market. And the best part, there is no length limits with our Toon Video Maker app. You can create videos with unlimited length with no restrictions on how many videos that you can make. Now, you can crush the competition with the exact Toon video format that top Fortune 500 companies use to market their products and services. These businesses use Toon videos because they engage, entertain, and deliver your message all at the same time to get game-changing results for any campaign. Before now, making these kinds of videos meant a massive budget for animators, designers, and voiceover artists, unless you were a skilled developer yourself or had the time and patience to learn multiple complicated software. But thanks to Toon Video Maker, anyone can easily make stunning Toon videos in just minutes, without any technical skills required and no more expensive outsourcing either. If you're a marketer, business owner, or even a freelancer, you can effortlessly make unlimited promotional or branding videos for your own use or sell to clients. If you're a coach, consultant, or an educator, now it's easier than ever to convert boring old video content into dynamic Toon videos that engage new audiences. Toon Video Maker includes everything that you need to do inside one user-friendly dashboard. Choose from a wide variety of dynamic characters to tell your story. Keep viewers engaged and entertained with eye-popping character animations, dozens of HD backgrounds, and hundreds of premium music tracks. Select from the library of 250 plus Toon style sales graphics specifically designed to boost conversions, or easily upload your own visual assets to use in any scene. You can even record your own voiceover directly from within the app, or upload an audio file to sync to your video if you prefer, or use the powerful text-to-speech engine inside Toon Video Maker to have your message delivered in lifelike human voices in any language that you wish. Position elements exactly where you want them, customize anything with a drag and drop blank canvas editor. It's so easy, fast, and fun. You'll be creating, publishing, and sharing professional Toon videos in just minutes. Your access lets you make unlimited videos with no restrictions, and you can also make videos of any length without paying extra. The flexibility this offers is limitless. Create as many videos as you want, as long as you want, for you or for your clients. Speaking of which, the included commercial rights can mean multiple lucrative income streams for you. Businesses, marketers, consultants, and educators everywhere need so much video that demand is far greater than supply. At the same time, these prospects are realizing that animated Toon videos work incredibly well to engage audiences. They're already paying $300 to $500 each, or even more per video on Fiverr and other freelancer websites. And now you can get in on the action. They never have to know how quickly you can make these videos with your new software. And you could potentially generate a full-time income in just a few hours a month thanks to Toon Video Maker. Remember, you won't need any technical experience or additional skills. Making videos is a simple 3-step process, and we include over-the-shoulder video tutorials showing you how. Toon Video Maker is a desktop solution that's fully compatible with both Windows and Mac computers. You can even use it without an internet connection. You can render your videos on your computer without any hassles. For the ultimate in flexibility, your Access lets you install the software on up to 10 different computers so you can make videos anywhere and at any time. Toon Video Maker has been built from the ground up by our team of industry-leading developers, animators, and video specialists. Don't let its simplicity and ease of use fool you. It's an extremely powerful, robust solution capable of creating professional quality videos for any goal. Want demo videos for every product in your e-commerce store? No problem. Unlimited review videos for an affiliate site? Easy. Create sales videos, promos, branding messages, announcements in a snap. Whatever you need for your own business or for your clients, Toon Video Maker delivers it all. Beta testers tell us they especially love the text-to-speech for making it simple to create videos in any language to attract international traffic. And unlike most other animation software that charge a monthly subscription, when you act now, you get permanent access to the software for a low one-time fee. That includes commercial rights, unlimited usage, and no restrictions. This means no watermarks on your videos, no limits on how long your videos are, plus unlimited production, renders, and usage across the board for no monthly fees at all. Fair warning though, this is an extremely time-sensitive offer. We're introducing Toon Video Maker at a one-time pricing to give anyone the opportunity to leverage top quality Toon videos for their business. But due to the cost of maintaining the software and providing premium customer support, we can't keep the cost this low for long. The price can and will increase to a monthly subscription without notice. So lock in your ongoing access for the highly discounted one-time price right away. You're covered by a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. If for any reason you decide within that time frame that this isn't for you, you get every single penny back, no questions asked. Animated Toon videos have a proven track record for driving game-changing results across different niches and industries. With Toon Video Maker now, you can stand head and shoulders above your competition. Drive more free traffic from social media, YouTube, and search engines, convert more prospects into buyers, and sell unlimited videos to unlimited clients for hundreds of dollars each in pure profit. Claim instant access to everything, including commercial rights and multi-install license by clicking on the button below.